Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Crate, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Clean With Me video, and this is the Clean With Me and Decorate With Me for Valentine's Day. So this is my craft room and the state that it is. Not super messy. If you watched my last Clean With Me video, it was super messy. It was an ultimate disaster. So this is a little bit of an improvement. Still quite cluttered and messy due to different projects, but not as bad as the last video. If you want to see that video, I will link it down below and also at the end. So this video will just be a little bit of cleaning motivation and then decorating with me for Valentine's Day and just freshening up the room and getting it a little bit better and just feeling like a cleaner and nicer space. And I will be decorating those shelves up there that you just saw. And there will be a bunch of glimpses into some upcoming videos too that I will mention. So let's go ahead and get started on the cleanup. So this is my son's desk, and I started just on the floor a little bit in this corner just to get things out of the way, and I knew that some of these things here went back on my son's desk, which I will be cleaning next. So I just wanted to organize this and get the things that go up on his desk off the floor. He'd been doing a bunch of painting projects and painting a box, and he just loves to paint, so got a little messy, but that's okay. Keeps him occupied, and we have a lot of fun in the craft room together. And so just going ahead and cleaning off his desk, and I'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, I am cleaning off my desk. I tried to give you a different angle this time as I cleaned my desk because there's only so much room in my craft room and only so many spots to clean, and you've seen it several times if you've been watching my videos. But yeah, the desk was just piled up with different things. I recently did a haul video on my channel for the Valentine's Day decor that I picked up for this video, so some of that was piled on the desk, and just some planner stuff that I've been working on. There is a planner hack video coming soon, so stay tuned for that, and just some various projects that I've been working on. The stamps and stuff piled up on the sides of the desk, and that's usually how my desk gets so messy. I just get creating and I don't put stuff away as quickly as I'd like to. And so when my desk is finally cleaned up and stuff is put away, it is just so refreshing to come into the craft room and create again, and it just gives me a fresh perspective to get more crafty time in. And then I'm just going ahead and cleaning up over here. I had some decorations that I was going to be using later to decorate, just kind of piling up, and some different projects that I've been working on. And I'm definitely loving having this shelf like this. If you watched my last Clean With Me video, I moved the shelf back like this so that I had more space in the craft room and I was able to move around more. And the IKEA carts just fit so much nicer there. They're easier to move around and just easier to access and use the products on them. So just tidying up the diaper caddies where I hold my planner supplies and Bible journaling supplies, and cleaning up this table here where I keep my Silhouette Cameo machine and tidying that all up. And then I'm going to go ahead and get ready to decorate. So this is my husband. He's just hanging some of the decor pieces up high, and I'm very thankful that he could do that for me. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove everything on the shelves here and then clean them off. Just spray them down, make sure there's no dust. Just keep them nice and clean and fresh. And then I'm going to go ahead and decorate. These are the pieces that I made. If you watched my haul video, you saw all of this in there, and this is what I came up with. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some music again and decorate these shelves. So stay tuned and see what I do, and there'll be a little bit more cleaning motivation as we go along. So keep watching and enjoy the music and the decorating. And I hope you are motivated to clean and decorate your craft room too. Okay, so just adding the final touches to my decorating. These little hearts my oldest son painted, and so I really loved how they turned out and I wanted to include them, so I'm just creating a hanging decoration here on the shelf, and he really loves seeing what he had created in the decorations. And I also want to go ahead and mention the little blue truck that you're seeing there on the shelf with the hearts picks from Dollar Tree. I painted that little blue truck. It was one of my boys' toys, but it was starting to break. But I decided to paint it blue. They love the book, The Little Blue Truck. And so that is the little blue truck, and I've been changing it up seasonally. At Christmas, it had a Christmas tree in it, and we used it in a decoration elsewhere in our house. And so I've been loving that, and the boys think it's fun. So that is my little blue truck. And then I'm just finishing up some last minute things here, and that will finish off the decorations. And then there's a little bit more cleaning to get done, and then I'll show you some pictures at the end of everything. So here is the clean space. As you can see, it is a whole lot better. There's still definitely a few places that I need to go through and declutter and get back into place, but for now this is looking a lot better, and it's definitely a fresher space and a place that I can be more creative in. And there is my decorations, and it is a bit busy, but I like how it turned out. There's a lot of bright colors, and it's very fun and happy, and as that sign says there, this is my happy place, and it's fun for my kids, and it incorporates a lot of who we are and what our family is, with little memorabilia, with the blue truck and the cat and the puppy. My boys love those, and just the I love you to the moon and back. We say that to our kids, and so it just, and a little bit of my son's artwork. So this just makes me happy, and it's very inspiring and fun, and that's what I was going for. And so that is going to finish off the cleaning portion of the video, and I definitely love how it comes out and how it's clean, especially the floors. When my son gets paint all over the floors and stuff, I love once I've steam mopped and it's all fresh again and back to normal and ready for more crafting. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some close-up pictures and still photos of the decorations, and as you can see, there was some more things on the desk as we're constantly in here, and so my son had been painting again, but definitely still not as messy as in the beginning. But our craft room is always being used, and it is nice to freshen it up every once in a while. So here are the still photos of the decorations. I hope you really like them. So this will be the last clean with me video for a while. I may do an Easter one. I'm not entirely sure yet if I'm going to be able to decorate for Easter. I have not found any Easter decor that I'm super excited about and that I feel would work on these shelves yet. So possibly, but I do have a bunch of videos coming your way, so definitely stay tuned for that and subscribe if you have not yet, and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm going to upload next. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and definitely comment down below what you think of the Valentine's Day decorations and the do-it-yourself projects that I did. And I hope you are inspired by this video to clean your craft room and decorate and just do some Valentine's Day projects. And happy Valentine's Day when it comes. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.